Well, it's that time of year again. Today is September 18th, 2025, National Ceiling Fan Day. Well, I almost forgot it was National Ceiling Fan Day. So here we go. So here in my bedroom, I still got my Hoverbreeze Barnstable bay. And if you can tell that there's a little update, I flipped the blades back over to the wood side. And then I also got new light bulbs. New soft white light bulbs. And then the pole chain here for the fan, I also had to fix because it snapped off and it got stuck on high, so I fixed that. Okay, so there's that. In my mom's room, we still have the Hoverbreeze Tileman. Yep, we're just running on medium. I don't know if you can hear, that's my cat meowing. Alright. So there's that. And then over here, still have the Pro Series. No. Well, the Pro Series was put back in here because the Cobra Elite, if you saw in last year's video, that one broke. So I had to put this back. It's running on low. Yep. There's 4 ceiling fans in total in this house. Yeah. There's that. Living room, still got this retractable fan running on medium. This fan we had to run the most because it's been getting pretty hot, so yep. Alright, well, happy National Ceiling Fan Day to all. Hope your fans are in good conditions, and remember to turn off all those air conditioners and run your fans. So, yep. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day and hope you enjoyed.